How to use flight price tracking on Expedia. Well, to use Expedia's flight price tracking, you want to either get the application or you want to be on the web browser on expedia.com. Then what you want to do is you want to find the flight you are interested in by entering in where you're traveling to. So head over to flights section, then select where you're living from and where you're going to. And then you want to proceed to select the dates. And once you have selected the dates, you want to proceed, select the number of traveler and search for it. Now, once you have searched for it, on a newer versions of application, you can look for a toggle switch labeled as watch prices or similar. If you have an older version, look for a price trending graph. So basically, I'm here on the web browser, so there is no any new or old. But at the left hand side, you can see watch prices option, price tracking option. You can enable this right here. So this is where you'll get the price tracking option. So you can toggle this on. Here you can see it is toggled on. So this is how you can easily use flight price tracking on Expedia. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.